Did you know a family mysteriously vanished after driving into the Sans Bois Mountains to look up a land for purchase? In October 2009, the Jamison family in Oklahoma reported scratching sounds beneath their room at night. It started like rats, then turned rhythmic. 3 scratches, pause, 3 more and pause. One night, their landline rang at 3:12 a.m. When they answered, they heard their own kitchen ambience like something breathing. Weeks later, the family vanished during a road trip to the Sans Bois Mountains. Their truck was found abandoned, doors open, and their food still warm. Inside the truck was a camcorder tape labeled "Don't Dig." When police played it, the footage showed the Jamisons asleep in their home, shot from beneath the floor. The recording matched the scratching sound they had reported exactly, and search dogs refused to enter the house. Their bodies were found years later, miles away, with no cause of death. And no one could explain the footage. What would you have done if you hear continuous scratching sounds in your house? Comment below.